In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the local folder path of OneDrive. This quick tutorial can help you better organize your files and free up space on your primary drive. Let's dive right in. First, start by locating the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar. It typically resides in the system tray right next to the clock at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on this icon and a small menu will pop up. Once you have the menu open, look for the settings option and give it a click. This will open a new window with various options related to your OneDrive account. Here, you'll need to navigate over to the settings tab if you're not already there. Now head over to the account tab. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your OneDrive account, including the storage location. Here you will click on the button labeled Unlink this PC. This action will temporarily disconnect your OneDrive account from the local device, enabling you to make changes to its folder location without any hassle. After clicking Unlink this PC, follow any prompts that appear to finalize unlinking your OneDrive account. This essentially pauses any syncing processes, allowing you to safely move the current OneDrive folder. Next, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon from the taskbar or pressing the Windows key along with the E key on your keyboard. Once inside File Explorer, navigate to the current OneDrive folder. This is located under your user's directory by default. To move it, simply drag and drop the OneDrive folder to the new desired location on your computer. You can put it on a different drive or within another folder depending on your needs. Just make sure to remember where you place it, as you'll need that information shortly. After relocating your folder, it's time to reconnect your OneDrive account. Start by clicking the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar once more. You'll need to sign back in using your email credentials, just as you would typically do. Once signed in, you'll be prompted to confirm or change the new OneDrive folder location. It's important to select the option to use the existing folder you just moved. Click on the folder you've moved and then choose the Use this folder option to continue. Finally, complete the setup by following the remaining on-screen instructions. This will re-establish the link between your PC and your relocated OneDrive folder, allowing you to sync files to the new path smoothly. With this setup complete, your OneDrive will now store files in your chosen location. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.